So a lot of producers ask themselves, why do my drums suck? Why do my bass lines sound so flat or my vocal effects so bad? But I made a song in the past where the drums were sick and the bass lines bounced. Well, this is a hack that can really save you time and get you going. Some of you don't know about this, so watch carefully. So what you want to do is you want to go in and add a folder. So you can add any folder in here. So for example, I'm going to add this one here called ABLETON Projects, then select the folder to add it. And there it is. You can see straight away that it appears here. And all of these black folders are ALS folders. These are ABLETON projects. And if you actually drill into each project, you can actually see the project here. You can see the samples within the project. You can even see the backup files. And once you drill into that, you can see all of the drum kits. You can see the groups, and you can even see the VST instruments in the group. And finally, you can also see the send auxiliary reverb effects or any effects that you want. So if you did create a banger and that banger had incredible sounding drums, so say for example, we want the lo-fi tech kit that sounded amazing on this song, all we have to do is drag it onto the screen like that, and everything comes across, even the effects that are associated with it. And for example, we can bring this group in here and it brings the entire group with all of the instruments in, even shows those instruments that were frozen at the time. It shows you all of the effects and the panning and everything for that instrument. You can even see the effects that are on the group. So instead of starting from scratch, reuse, because sometimes that's the best way forward.